Chickens are up. Chickens are up. See. Hey, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Gentlemen. See? Let's see what's going on in here. Hi. Oh, the other one's still sleeping. Hi, hi, hi. Yeah. No egg yet. Whoa, that's a big poop. A big poop. No egg. Happy birthday. Stephanie. Happy birthday, who?
Stephanie. And Noah.
Happy birthday, Liza. Okay.
No.
What Liza name in there? Look at this okra plant. This is too old now, but it's still flowering. But they have some side shoots that making too many okra still. Or maybe I'll cut this. And this, I can cut this now too. Tomato looking good. And yep, I got tomato flowering. Oh, there! Diyan. Ayan guys, I let the chickens out. Hindi maraguro mabre nang? Hindi raguro mabre ah? Hindi lang, hindi maradyang guro mabre, nakalak. Ate, sige, higot do lang, dyan dumaran. Dyan ka duman lang, higot do lang. Be? Ibang tayo. Ayan, they said, ay, walk! They lay egg. Where? Inside the coop? In their nest? In their egg thing? Don't touch it yet! Ay, kagamay, no? Ayun, sa nga nungod ko, tanarog iyo! Ay, abaw ho! Ay, kagamay na! Yeah, we got our first egg!
Ate, ano niya, bago na lang itlog.
Bago? Timanggot para na?
No.
What do you mean, bago lang ano? Our first egg!
Just poop on it.
Whose egg is this? Yours? Good job though. Ito nag-isa ng hudo. Buslot anang bulo.
Din? Ito?
Jojo?
I think that's where. Why did they dig a hole?
I don't know. Wow, they can scratch. Maya guro kayo ng ano dahay.
Can we get that?
Na di amo ka jagin ng.
There was a chicken trying to lay egg, and when I went over there, it got up, and I saw the egg fly back up its butt. The egg didn't go back.
It fly back up?
No, it went back up the butt.
It went back.
You should have.
So almost. So how many eggs are there? Still one?
Yeah.
We are going for a ride.
Yeah, Joey, we gotta give him some gas. You know,
There's
gas.
no gas here.
No, zero means zero.
Look at Luis. Luis.
Come and shut the gate right now.
Eloise want to go.
Eloise, shut the gate. Shut the gate for me. Come on, Eloise, shut the gate. Before the dog come out. Oh, the kids move like they... And then we have a good time. We're going to the... That's right.
2.6.
2.6.
600 pila? 6
Tagpila kilo ha?
420. 420.
Ate kay Steve oh?
What about you? What's up, brother? Come and shout discount. Oi! Discount.
We are going to check. Manang did this today oh. Yeah. Oh, diba? Saan pa kayo? Ay, close to. So Lola and the chickens will go out here. Ay, yeah, she closed it. We need to wait for Manang. Huh? Pamana? Let's see if the chickens are. Hanak kong naghapon sa datanan. Ah, isa lang Japon nang. I guess, antas dalong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ang duha galumlum. Let's see. Yes, anda ang duha ha.
One is sleeping right there.
She's sleeping already. Go hapon ka mo to. Bayan lang? Duha? Duha ang galoob.
Duam lang tatlo diri ang sunog tapos isa di ang isa di.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
One is
Ay, di nang isa hay. Ay, giyas dalom. Giyatan na ng hawa ay na ano, ti pasudlom ta? Diyan na tanas dalom? Hindi nang basi sudlon ka ano? Oh. You come or you
Sali ko ay nabi mo din nakuha ni Juan Crisadom.
ang itlog?
Oo.
Ngayon ni sin oh?
Ni Stephanie.
Tiin sa dyan na tanan ng itlog. Come here. Ting, ting, ting. Come here. Get a stick, babe. May naisip mo na. Hoy, abawin.
Oy!
Yung kamang.
Sulod yan ako sa gamay dyan. Si Dalong lang.
Sa dalong pang may aligwa.